Hello scholars, welcome back to another UTME preparatory lesson. In this lesson, we will be answering past UTME questions on the subject sentence completion. Let's dive in. There is an instruction to guide us in answering the set of multiple choice questions in this lesson. This instruction applies to all the questions in this lesson. The instruction points out that it is vital to choose the option that best completes the gap from question 1 to 10. 1. You have to dash how to make the whole week a memorable one. Option D is suitable. This is so because the phrase think about means to carefully consider or plan. 2. Last week, I dashed your friend in the salon. The answer is option C, came across. This is suitable because came across means to meet or find unexpectedly. It fits the context of meeting a friend in the salon. 3. We might wait a little longer, but he would not dash soon. The answer is option B, turn up. It is suitable because to turn up means to arrive, appear, or become available. Question 4. His dash are tied, so he could not do anything to help her. The answer is option C, hands. This is suitable because hands here refers to the part of the body needed to assist someone. Question 5. If you want to be part of the conference, you have to dash a form on me. The answer is option B, fill out. This is so because the phrase fill out is a commonly used phrasal verb in English that means to complete a form or document by providing the required information. Question 6. The flight dash has been postponed. The answer is option A, schedule. This is so because the word schedule refers to a planned timetable for events. It fits the context of a flight being postponed. Question 7. My wife should not worry about this trial. I will always dash her. The answer is option B, stand by. This is so because the word stand by means to support or be loyal to someone in a difficult situation. Question 8. I can tell from the way he talks that he dash his mentor. The answer is option A, takes after. This option is suitable because the word takes after means to resemble or have similar qualities to someone, especially a parent or mentor. Question 9. We have time to dash before the gallery opens. The correct option is B, waste. The option is correct because waste in this context means to use time in an unproductive or inefficient way. Question 10. The time has now come, dash policy change in Nigeria. The suitable option is option B, for. It is suitable because the correct preposition in this context is for. It is used to indicate the purpose or reason for a particular action. This is not the end, scholars. There are more questions to tackle on our focus topic. Click on the next video.